In this video, we are going to show you how to view the world seed in LEGO Fortnite. The world seed helps you recreate the same world. Let's say you are playing in a survival world, but you want to view the same world in sandbox mode. You can create a new sandbox world exactly like the survival world you are playing in. But for that, you need the world seed. The world seed is a unique identifier for each world. To get the world seed, you will have to go to the main screen. Press escape key, return to lobby and leave the match. From the main screen, go to world selection by clicking here. These are the worlds that we have created. Click on a world and view the right side preview window. Here it shows the date this world was created and the world seed. This is the seed that you can note down somewhere and use later when you need it. You don't need periods between the numbers though. I hope this tip helped you. For more tips and tutorials, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.